everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. One pot dishes are saviors for many people who are unable to spend too much time in the kitchen. What if I told you can make this quick and tasty Lauki Dal in just 30 minutes? Well, it's exciting, right? It's a nice wholesome dish and it's full of flavors and it's super easy to make. So let's get started and check it out. These are the ingredients required to make the one pot Lauki Dal. I'm going to make this in a pressure cooker. To this, add half cup of nicely washed and clean Toor Dal. Next, add one medium-sized bottle gourd cut into medium-sized pieces. You have to remove the skin for this. Next, add one large onion finely chopped, one large tomato finely chopped. Next, add 3 green chilies roughly cut up and add about 10 garlic cloves. For seasoning, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rock salt. You can also add the regular table salt instead. Now add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and about 2 to 3 tamarind bits to add a punch of sourness to the dal. Give it all a quick mix. Pour a little water until all the ingredients are completely immersed. Do not add too much water because Lauki also releases a bit of water when cooked and the dal can become very watery. Keeping the flame on medium, cover the pressure cooker with the lid and place the weight. Pressure cook the dal and the vegetables for about 4 whistles on medium flame. After 4 whistles, turn off the heat, let the steam release naturally and then open the lid. As you can see, it's all very well cooked. Mix and mash it all gently with a spatula or a ladle. This is a dal where I added a lot of Lauki and less amount of dal. You can add more dal if you like. Now for the tempering, take a tempering pan and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and saute. After the mustard seeds start splattering, turn off the heat. Add about 5 to 6 pounded garlic cloves, 2 red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing and a few curry leaves for a nice aroma. Saute until done and transfer it to the pressure cooker. Give it all a quick mix and that's it. Our yummy Lauki Dal is ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. You can enjoy this simple yet delicious dal with plain rice, or you can also serve it with some nice fryams by the side. Well, that tasted amazing. Simple dish, but the flavors were just too good. So you can enjoy this with rice or with roti. It also makes for a very nice lunchbox recipe. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.